Hello. As a student, I started investing in crypto about 2 years ago. And actually, there are a lot of things that I wish I knew before I started this. In this video, I will be sharing with you mistakes that I've done, and also I will be sharing crypto potential that I wish I knew before. If you're ready, let's go. What's important in cryptocurrency is you have to always educate yourself, because there is always things that are evolving, but also there are strategies. If you know them, you can end up not spending a lot of money. So when I first started investing in crypto, I didn't know about Trust Wallet. I was only trading on Binance. When I'm trying to shift to Trust Wallet, my first simple mistake is that I didn't know that Binance has two types of coin. So when I was trying to buy something on PancakeSwap, I sent Binance coin on Trust Wallet. Then after that, I convert it to Binance Smart Chain, which is the coin that is needed to make transaction on site like PancakeSwap. Each time I am trying to buy something on PancakeSwap, I do the same process. I send money from Binance to Trust Wallet and then convert it to Binance Smart Chain. So when you're converting it from Binance Chain to Binance Smart Chain, there is a fee. So each time I was paying that fee. And after that, I realized that directly on Binance, you are able to send directly into Binance Smart Chain. As I was talking about buying crypto on PancakeSwap, and what I wish I know, 99% of crypto on Binance Smart Chain are scams. This cost me a lot of money. A friend of mine invited me in a token launch. I invested about $12 and ended up with $800, and I was so happy, and I said, oh my god, if I invest in many other tokens and ended up with 800 again, I will be rich. And this was the mistake. I ended up with $60 because 99 of my investment were down. Even the one that I participated in the token launch, because I didn't take my money back, my money was down also. When I first started investing in crypto, the only thing that I have in mind is trading, but I didn't know that there are also a lot of other potential, like staking. There are different platforms like PancakeSwap or Binance that you can stake on. And actually, if you're not a good trader and you have money that you are not able to use, I think that staking is a thing that everybody should reconsider, because there are websites that give a lot of percentage over your money. And most importantly, when you're investing in crypto, you have to have self-control. One of the main strategies to invest in crypto is being able to wait. The market is down, you buy. The market is up, you sell. But me, I was so hyped to invest in many tokens. If I truly believe in a crypto, I said this will go up fast. I ended up losing from another one and put it on the one that I believe in. But at the end of the day, I ended up losing my money because I will do the same shift again. So I have a story about cryptocurrency. So in 2019, there was a website called Trade. It was promising that if you send them a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, they're able to trade it for you and then give you a percentage every day on that money that you invested in. I bought a little bit of Bitcoin and sent that Bitcoin to them. As you can imagine, it was totally a scam. So thank you for watching. See you